Hello in there. Hello in there. What have you got? You got a new book. Look at your nice new book. Ready? Who's that in the mirror? Who's that in the mirror? Is that Charlie? Is that Charlie boy? Look. Ooh, who's that lovely boy? Who's that lovely boy? Is that you? Is that you, Charlie? Yes. This is my Charlie boy. Oh, do you like your book? Oh, all those different feels. No? Just what, Mummy? You just look at Mummy? Are you just looking at Mummy? Hello, my baba. Hello, my baba. Mummy got to finish dinner. Mummy got to finish dinner. Yes. Yes, I got to finish dinner. I got to finish dinner. Hey, Diggy. Hello. Shall I finish dinner? Shall I finish dinner? Or shall I stay with you? Shall I stay with you? Shall I stay with you? Yes. Yes. Nope. I'll get back to dinner. Right. How are my carrots doing? I forgot all about them because I'm playing with my boy. Yep. Perfect. Oh, alarm's going off. Oh dear. It's all go for me. While they're still in the hot tub. Still in the hot tub, look. Still in the hot tub. So have some.
After a lovely hot tub and a lovely roast dinner, it is time for Asahi. How'd you say it? Asahi. Chupa. Woo! You do. You sort of blend in. I can just about hold up. Let me open that beer up in a minute. I can just about see you. You just camouflage into the green sofa. Your new green pajamas.
Yeah, I do.
How's baby?
Perfect. Bedtime. Bedtime for both of us.
Chupa!
I
Ow!
hate it when you two do that.
Why?
That's just annoying.
It's lovely. Sav! Chupa! Woo! Yeah. That both. Maybe. Chupa! Hold the bottle for me, please. Woo! Mum don't like it. Woo! Chupa! Woo! Because Mum don't like it, we're going to keep doing it. Chupa! Woo!
I love it.
Chupa! Woo! He's used to noise, don't worry about that. Right, that's me. I've got a selection of drinks over here. I've got a selection. I know, I had a cup of tea earlier. I've had a lemonade today. Look, I've had a bit of Prosecco.
You don't leave them all there either.
No. Do I ever?
Yeah, you do. You watch this on here, some smelly, stinky socks. Money. Such an idiot.
Are you not dizzy?
No!
When you come down in the morning, this is not cleared up.
And then one, they're like, hey, before we go to school.
You can shut the front door.
Look,
Before you go to
black
I am gone to work.
Yeah,
Before you
and
come
it's
to
still
school.
there.
Shut your mouth. I am gone to work before you get up,
Right
mate.
before we come down.
See you later. You're lying. The pair of you, you're lying. Massage my foot. Massage my foot.